Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best portable air conditioners on AliExpress. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The Noete Null 1400 ml portable air conditioner is a compact yet powerful cooling solution designed to beat the summer heat with ease. Equipped with a high-performance motor and dual atomization humidification, it rapidly cools spaces to 65-75, making it ideal for homes, offices, or even outdoor activities like camping. The large 1400 ml water tank provides up to 10 hours of cooling, while the top-fill design ensures hassle-free refills and prevents leaks. Featuring 3 adjustable speeds, a quiet operation at just 55 dB, and a soothing 7-color LED night light, this air conditioner combines functionality with comfort. The convenient remote control and 3 timer options 1, 2, 4 allow you to customize cooling effortlessly, while its USB-powered versatility ensures portability. Crafted from durable ABS material, this lightweight, freestanding unit delivers efficient cooling, mist spraying, and humidification, making it a must-have for those seeking a refreshing escape from heat.